Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Nadine. So I'm taking you guys along with me. I am going on the road to pick up some chicken at KFC. We're still in quarantine, but I'm just heading out, as I said, to get some chicken and come back home. Won't be coming out of the car, going through a drive-through. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and let you see what it's like in quarantine in my city. I think you have a lot more people out and about after like a month of being in quarantine. So I find that a lot of people are probably becoming more restless in being indoors. So because this morning when I went for a walk, there was a little bit more people on the road than normal, taking walks as well, walking their dogs, stuff like that. So I think people are becoming a little bit restless in being home. But anyways, you guys, so I will be, as I said, heading out to KFC, and I will be taking you guys along with me as I do this daily vlog. Yeah, sorry, like I was saying, you guys, I think that people are becoming more and more restless, staying home, backyard barbecue and stuff like that. So it's gonna be really hard to get people not to come out and to stay inside if the weather is nice. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you, turn it around and show you guys what the road looks like, and yeah, take it from there. A day in my life. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the vlog, you guys. See you in a bit. Look how busy it is, you guys. Look how busy it is. This is the busiest I've seen it in the past 3 weeks or so. So I guess it's not too bad, right? So I'm at KFC right now, you guys, and the lineup is not too bad. I only had 2 cars in front of me, so it's not too bad, surprisingly. I think 2 weeks ago or so I was here on a Sunday and the lineup was like, yeah, really bad. So I'm surprised it's not that bad today. Pretty good. I like that. As I said, the weather is nice, and I find that, you know, people are kind of coming out more, doing other things, so that's good. That's good. Anyways, let me show you what's in front. So I just placed my order for 12 pieces of chicken. Hello.
Hi. We only have dark meat for the crispy, is that alright?
Only dark meat for Crispies? Yeah. I was here 2 weeks ago and it was the same thing.
Or the white meat original? Yeah, we can only do the white meat original.
Oh, original. Okay, it's okay. Give me the dark meat crispy.
Oh, dark?
Yeah. How much do I owe you?
27.
Okay. Can't see it. 27.29. All right. Yeah, so I was here 2 weeks ago. They only had the crispy and dark meat. And now I'm here 2 weeks later, only the crispy and dark meat. I'm like, what's up with the white meat? But it is what it is, right? I rather the crispy. It tastes much better than the original. Like, I don't really care for the KFC original. The crispy to me tastes much better, so whenever I come, that's what I always ask for. But for some reason, I could never get the crispy and white meat. It's always in dark meat at this particular location. Side eye. Thank you very much. Anywho, what can you do? So, heading back home. Thank God for drive-through, eh? Thank God for drive-through. Anyhow, yeah, so anything our governments are doing for this coronavirus, COVID-19, whether it is to find a cure or a vaccine, they better do it fast. because as I said, today is a nice day, and the amount of people I see outside today is ridiculous. And this is just one of the nice days that we have had in April so far. The past couple of days were kind of cold. We had snow last week, and so it was, people were in more. But today is a really nice day. I think it's like 14 degrees Celsius today. And I'm telling you guys, the amount of people that I see outside today, like as the season warms up and we get closer to summer, yeah, ain't no quarantining people or asking them to stay inside, because it's crazy. Last week was a little bit colder. I think we were in like -8 last week or something like that, and it was a little bit more quiet and than it is today, which I understand because the weather wasn't great. But today's the weather is great and people are out in droves. No joke, like in droves, you guys, like bike riding, walking the trails, jogging, walking. Yeah, so whatever you guys are doing, or governments, WHO, whatever you guys are doing, do it quickly, because summer is just around the corner and I don't see people being quarantined during the summertime. So yeah, don't know how that is gonna work out if we're still in quarantine, say comes mid to late May and the weather is nice, not to mention summer. So take a look, you guys. People are out and about even in their shorts, because yeah, the weather is that nice today. Bike riding, walking. Yep. Yep. Ain't keeping people in. No way, Jose. Anyway, so I am back home, you guys, after heading out to KFC. So just pulled up. So hope you enjoy this time on the road with me, and I will be seeing you guys in the next clip. Ciao.